Open Settings to customize 6 essential behaviors: number matching, call logs, notifications, private callers, voicemail handling, and answer gestures. Normalize to E.164 standardizes numbers with the country code, so differently formatted versions of the same number can match the same rule. Skip call log on block keeps rejected calls from appearing as missed calls in the phone's regular history. They remain visible inside JustBlocked. Skip notification on block rejects matching calls quietly without showing a blocked call or missed call alert. Block private or hidden automatically rejects calls that provide no usable number, including private, unknown, and no caller ID. Aggressive block is JustBlocked's signature feature. When a call is blocked, it briefly answers and disconnects, helping prevent the caller from reaching voicemail. It requires Pro and JustBlocked as the default phone app. Swipe to answer or decline replaces tap buttons with a deliberate gesture, helping prevent accidental actions. Together, these settings control how calls are matched, blocked, recorded, and handled.